Recommended good accommodation. Exceptional good. Wonderful stay overall. It has been a wonderful stay. Clean place with good facilities. Great location. Definitely recommended. Recommended. Everything is good. Recommended to all. Cheaper and nice environment also. Thank you also to the uncle who give us some tips and info where to go and get something to eat. We have a pleasant day. Thank you. Exceptional. The only drawback is the thin walls. I heard a toddler drumming and yelling so loudly at night that I thought the child was in my room. Otherwise this is simple, central, friendly accommodation. Good room. Now I know why this hostel get a good review. Everything is good. Get your map, and start your day. Have fun. Nice room. Fast response from host. Room is tidy, toilet is clean, soap provided, AC is cold, pillow and bed is nice, TVW good channel, towel, can refill water, can use free iron, have laundry service RM 5.50, have in-room hair dryer, water heater. Near to Chinese hawker. But for Muslims still walkable to him meets up, Hamidiya, KC Conduct Barader, Midden, Pisarch Aursta, Comter, Nasi Padang, Rodi Transfer Road, Sirapting Cap, Sendal etc. Masjid Titi Papan around 300 meters. Cat bus station is near to. Cat bus to Jetty and attractions. At bus at Pisarch Aursta, or you can get 401 Nia Comter to airport. Have fun. Exceptional clean, conveniently located with many good eateries and excellent staff. Exceptional clean guest house with very helpful and friendly owner. Great value for the money. Exceptional positive. A good placer. The Malabar Inn is in Georgetown area. Here is the famous place for tourists because of many street art in the building is old building. Maybe I can call it like Chinatown, because they are sell so much Penang food like the famous chendil, char kwe tiao and many more again. Good hotel. Very kind staff. Very good location near the main road. Near the bus stop, near the delicious restaurant. The room is very spacious, equipped with all the facilities, clean room, clean bathroom, clean blanket and towels. Great location. Room very clean, great location and staff very nice.